Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the netting for a Dreamcatcher. Be sure to check out the link in the description if you want to learn how to dip dye string or rope for your own Dreamcatcher. The materials you'll need for this project include 0.5mm 3-ply twisted cotton string, a gold ring minus 10 inches, and you have the option to include a peacock feather for the center of the Dreamcatcher. I wrapped the gold ring in rope. You can choose to do this as well or leave as is. Cut about 15 feet or 4.5 meters of rope to create your moon. Begin by tying a double knot to attach your rope. The end of the rope that you're not working with, just leave that for now. I will show you how to tuck that in later. Flip your work over. Bring your string over top of the ring, and then underneath and back through the loop. Make sure each loop is the same size. My loops are about 3.5 inches wide. Continue this process until you make it around to the start of your netting. I've sped this section up a bit. If you would like to view it in real time, please click Settings, Speed 0.25 at the bottom right of the screen. There should be a gap between your last loop and the start of your netting. The next loop will be created here. I find to keep the rope tight and centered, it helps to hold where you created your last loop so that you can pull the next loop tight without having to move the previous loop. Continue this process until you've reached the middle of your Dreamcatcher. I'm leaving a bit of space in the middle of my Dreamcatcher so that I can add the peacock feather to the middle. Once you've made your netting, if it doesn't sit quite right, just go back and adjust it a little bit. Once you are satisfied with your Dreamcatcher, it is time to secure the netting and then add the feather. Here's my trick to securing the netting. Attach your needle to your string. Thread it through the loop at the top. Add a bit of glue to the back, let it dry, then cut off the end. You can either hang your feather from the string or attach it to the Dreamcatcher directly. Cut off your end at the bottom or leave it, and then cover it if you are planning to add some string at the bottom of your Dreamcatcher. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.